Where Animals Live, written by Robert Charles and illustrated by Terry Herman. Animals live in many different places. Some live above the ground. Some live in the ground. Some live on the ground. And some live in the water. This bird lives in the trees. This monkey lives in the trees too. This frog lives in a pond. This turtle lives in a pond too. This prairie dog lives in a burrow. The woodchuck lives in a burrow too. These bats live in a cave. This bear lives in a cave too. This deer lives in the woods. The fox lives in the woods too. This octopus lives in the ocean. The whale lives in the ocean too. Mandy and Michael live in a house. People are animals too. Where animals live. The end.